Hello, I am Sujana Mojumdar. I am going to share some idioms and phrases starting with D. Dark horse, অজ্ঞাত পরিচয়. We should not take anything from a dark horse. Daydream, দিবাস্বপ্ন. Mrs. Mina was lost in a daydream about a house of her own. Day by day, দিনে দিনে, the political situation of the country is improving day by day. Dilly dally, অযথা দেরি, we should not dilly dally in doing the work. Double-minded people, man, দ্বিধাগ্রস্ত ব্যক্তি, a double-minded man cannot prosper in life. Draw near, নিকটে আসা, the winter is drawing near. Drag one's feet, গড়িমসি করা, he is dragging his feet to repair the loan. Due to, জন্য, the accident is due to carelessness. Dead letter, অকার্যকর বিধি, the agreement between you and me is now a dead letter. Deal with, আচরণ করা, he does not know how to deal with others. Devoted to, অনুরক্ত, he is devoted to reading. Do one a favor.
এটা উচ্চারণ হবে ডিভোটেড, ডিভোটেড টু।
Devoted to, অনুরক্ত, he is devoted to reading. Do one a favor, কাউকে অনুকম্পা করা, he did me a favor to receive the stipend.
স্টাইপেন্ড, স্টাইপেন্ড বৃত্তি। এরপরে বলো।
Hello, my name is Afrin Subha Islam. I am going to share some important idioms and phrases with
শুরু করো।
eat a humble pie, অপমান সহ্য. He had to eat a humble pie for his misconduct. Entitled to, যোগ্য. You will be entitled to a car when you become a senior officer. Ever since, অবধি, I have been working here ever since my joining. Every now and then, মাঝে মাঝে, I visit them every now and then. End in smoke, নিষ্ফল হওয়া. Their efforts to set up an industry have ended in smoke. Fair and square, সঠিক. Your answer to the question is fair and square. Fair play, ন্যায় বিচার. Everybody wants fair play. Far-reaching effect, সুদূর প্রসারী. The speech of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman had a far-reaching effect on the freedom fighters. Far and near, সর্বত্র. His reputation spread far and near. Far away, খুব দূরে. Dhaka is far away from Chile. Face to face, মুখোমুখি. Our freedom fighters fought face to face with the occupation forces. Fall ill, অসুস্থ হওয়া. He has fallen ill. Fall into oblivion, বিস্মৃতি হওয়া. His name and fame has fallen into oblivion. Fall from the clouds, আকাশ থেকে পড়া. It seems that he has fallen from the clouds after hearing the news. Fall victim to, শিকার হওয়া. He has fallen victim to circumstances. Fall prey to, শিকার হওয়া. Wise people do not easily fall prey to conspiracy. Far off, বহু দূরে, Dhaka is not far off from here. Fire and fury, প্রবল উত্তেজনাময়. He delivered a fire and fury speech in the meeting. Fish out of water, অস্বস্তিকর. Everybody feels fish out of water in a new place. Find fault with, দোষ ধরা. We should not find fault with others. For good, চিরতরে. He left the country for good or nothing. অকারণে. The boy did it for nothing. Whose paradise, বোকার স্বর্গ. You are living in whose paradise, I see. Foul play, অন্যায় আচরণ. Foul play should not be tolerated. From head to foot, আপাদমস্তক. I observed him from head to foot. From top to bottom, আগাগোড়া. He is a perfect gentleman from top to bottom. From bad to worse, ক্রমেই খারাপ হওয়া. His condition is going from bad to worse day by day. From time immemorial, স্বর্ণাতীত কাল থেকে, man has been living in society from time immemorial. From hand to mouth, দিন এনে দিন খাওয়া. Most people in Bangladesh live from hand to mouth. For the sake of উদ্দেশ্যে, you should study hard for the sake of improving your result. For example, উদাহরণস্বরূপ, for example, a reckless driver can kill many people in a short time. Full of Uno, the pond is full of water. For its own sake, এর নিজের স্বার্থে. He did the work for its own sake. From time to time, সময় থেকে সময়ান্তরে. Either good or bad incident happens from time to time. Find fault with, দোষ খুঁজে পাওয়া. To find fault with others is a bad habit. For the time being, সাময়িক সময়ের জন্য, I am staying at this house for the time being. Fall flat, কার্যকর না হওয়া. The plan fell flat for want of money. First and foremost, সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ. The first and foremost duty of a student is to read. Forever, for good. চিরতরে, he left the country for good.
Hello,
Start.
I am Abdullah Sharif. Hello, I am Abdullah Sharif. I am going to share with you some important idioms and phrase. Gain ground. অধিকতর শক্তিশালী বা সফলকাম হওয়া. Gain ground. অধিকতর শক্তিশালী বা সফলকাম হওয়া. He is gaining ground against his enemies. Gain that day, জয়লাভ করা. Our cricket team gained the day yesterday. Get off, নেমে যাওয়া. He got off the bus. Get into a scrape, অসুবিধায় পড়া. You will get into a scrape if you mix with weak boys. Get on, যানবাহনে আহত. He got on the running bus. Get well, আরোগ্য লাভ করা. He is getting well day by day. Get the sack, বরখাস্ত হওয়া. He got the sack for his misconduct. Give and take, আদান প্রদান. Mutual relationship depends on the principle of give and take. Give away, বিতরণ করা. The chief guest gave away the prizes among the winners. Give ear to, কান দেওয়া. One should not give ear to a rumor. Give birth to, জন্ম দেওয়া। Hatred gives birth to hostility. Give one's word, প্রতিশ্রুতি দেওয়া। He has given his word that he will attend the meeting. Give rise to, ঘটানো। The absence of accountability gives rise to corruption. Give up the ghost, মারা যাওয়া। He gave up the ghost yesterday. Give in, বশ্যতা স্বীকার করা। At last the Pakistani army had to give in. Gordian knot, কঠিন সমস্যা। Our present government is sure to cut our Gordian knots step by step. Go a long way, অনেক দূরে যাওয়া। Our economy will go a long way with the eradication of corruption. Go astray, গোল্লা যাওয়া। He has gone astray by mixing with the bad boys. Go hand in hand, একসঙ্গে। Corruption and underdevelopment go hand in hand. Go in for, পরীক্ষা দেওয়া। He will go in for the SSC examination this year. Go through, পড়া। I have gone through the book. Go without saying, বলার অপেক্ষা রাখে না। It goes without saying that honesty is the best policy. Go to the wall, কণ্ঠাসা হয়ে যাওয়া। He has gone to the wall. Go through fire and water, বিপদের ঝুঁকি নেওয়া। One has to go through fire and water to do any business. Green eye, ঈর্ষা। We should not be a green eye to other success. Greek to one, অবদ্ধ। Physics is Greek to me. Get rid of, মুক্ত হওয়া। We should get rid of false friend. Give vent to, প্রকাশ করা। We cannot give vent to our feelings at his brilliant result. Gift of the gap, বাগগীতা। শেরে বাংলা হেড়ে gift of the বাগগীতা। শেরে বাংলা হেড়ে বাগ্মিতা। শেরে বাংলা হেড়ে gift of the gap. Go to the dogs, গোল্লা যাওয়া। Many students have gone to the dogs because of nasty politics.
শেষ।